The beauty of the world remains same even at nights. Ever wondered how? Yes. The answer is current. But what is mean by current? How it's working? How it's operating all the electronic items? Curious to know all these things? Let's know them all in this video. Welcome to Mr. Maintenance. Serving knowledge to make you better. Before learning about current, let us consider a small scenario to understand it better. Consider a water tank filled with water. Assume that the tank has all fittings like valve and pipes to flow the water out. Now the tank is placed in certain height from the floor level like we always do to a water tank. Placing a tank like this will result in an external force to act upon the water in the tank that tends to push it out. When the valve fitted with the tank is fully opened, the water will start flowing from the tank without any restriction due to that external pressure. This is how the current works. Let us consider a conductive material with free electron in its outermost shell. What happens if we connect a battery to this copper wire? The free electrons in the copper atom will start moving in random manner. And why it's happening? The battery connected to the wire creates an external force that forces the free electrons to flow. In the same way how the water flows from the tank. The random flow of free electrons in a conductor or a conductive medium is called as current. The force exerted by the battery source to create this flow is known as potential difference, which is measured in voltage. What happens if the valve is partially opened? Water will start flowing in slower rate when compared to the flow occurred during previous case. This is what happens to the current flow in reality. Let us connect any devices such as light between battery and copper wire as shown in circuit. This device is generally referred as load. When the circuit is closed by a switch, the free electrons will start flowing due to potential difference, and this flow is current, right? When the current is created, load will start at function. Easy job, right? But it's not that easy. In reality, electron can't flow so easily as we all think. When the valve is partially opened, the water will still flow, right? But it faces some resistance while flowing. In the same way, in reality, an electric current also experiences a resistance during its flow. This resistive force that restricts the electron flow is known as electrical resistance. The conductive material itself restricts the electron flow, and this resistance is generally referred as internal resistance. This internal resistance will vary in accordance with material, type and size. Hope you love this video. Subscribe, like and share if you loved the content, and please comment if any improvements needed. Thanks for watching.